Here's a 52-inch Hunter Pavilion ceiling fan from the second quarter of 1995. I got this a while ago along with a Hunter Eclipse. It's fairly cheap on Craigslist, so I figured why not. These are kind of childhood fans for me. Not the antique brass one, but the white one is. My family used to rent a beach house annually that had one of them over the kitchen table. Unfortunately, I haven't been to that beach house in a long time now, so that fan's probably long gone. But I just found this one on Craigslist, so I figured why not. But I'll start it up for you on low speed. When I got it, it was missing the mounting bracket, so I had to kind of rig it up there on a ball and socket. That hum you hear is just from the globes. It's not tightened up all the way. And it's heard that these are some of the low grades of Hunter, which pretty much, that's what they are. They're pretty much a Kmart Hunter, but they're still an interesting fan. I kind of like it, so I really have nothing against these. Medium speed. Now, I'm not a big fan of the blades they're showing down. The oak, I really don't like oak that much, but the other side has paint splatter all over it, so, you know, I kind of had to deal with it. A little bit of a wobble there. It's throwing a decent breeze. You know, it's typical 90s Hunter performance. Shut the light off. Not sure it's gonna come up too well on the camera. No, not really. It's high speed. It's going to shake around. Close. Couple of blades are out of clock. Had these pull chains on it when I got it too. Show you the information tags. Here's the logo. And there they are. Here's some paint. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.